Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, advanced clinical nutritionist, and inventor of ASTR. When I graduated from physical therapy school about 10 years ago, I was very excited and full of energy. I loved my patients and I wanted to make a difference in their lives. Around that time, I received my second cancer diagnosis, and I was suffering from chronic fatigue, migraines, and pain. And I tried everything I had learned in the school to help myself, my family, and my patients, but I was not able to find a long-term solution until ASTR. ASTR is a biopsychosocial treatment model that uses unique patented tools, maneuvers, and methodologies to quickly treat pain at its source. ASTR treatment addresses inflammation, nutrition, laboratory testing, scar tissue, fascia restrictions, trigger points, muscle spasm, ergonomics, posture, body mechanics, gait, exercises, and behavior modification. There are three main reasons why healthcare providers choose ASTR. Our tools work fast and ergonomically designed with providers in mind. Before ASTR, I was very exhausted treating dozens of patients every day, doing 20 minutes of manual therapy per patient just to treat one body part. I started to suffer from carpal tunnel and chronic shoulder pain from all of the work I was putting into each patient. With ASTR tools, providers use minimal energy and can treat multiple body parts within 5 to 10 minutes. Our tools work effectively. Before ASTR, I would see patients for 3 to 6 months before discharging them, and many would return later with the same issue. Based on a recent ASTR Next study, 83% of patients experience significant pain relief and increased range of motion within their first ASTR treatment, and 87% were still pain free from the original diagnosis when we followed up with them 1 to 2 years later. Our tools work gently. Unfortunately, patients are conditioned to believe that in order for treatment to be effective, it has to be painful and invasive. At ASTR, our approach to treatment is always virtually pain free. We believe pain is the body protective mechanism to keep us safe. ASTR's tools gently glide on the skin and do not cause trauma or bruising. Patients describe treatment as gentle and relaxing, and they actually look forward to the treatment. As a result, patient satisfaction and trust in their healthcare provider grows, and they become loyal customers as a result. If you are tired and burned out and want to regain the passion and energy you once had for your patients and profession, then join ASTR's community of empowered providers and become part of a healthcare solution that actually works.